Fittipaldi. Hello, Emma. You've been through a difficult time these last couple of months. Hello, Emma. So good to see you well again. So let's go to the beach. Drink 20 caipirinhas each. It's all right, Emerson, 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 Fittipaldi. Here comes the sun. Here comes Emerson, and I say, we love you, Emerson, 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 Fittipaldi. Hello, Emerson. So nice to know you well. And I look forward to seeing you. Sorry I'm not in Brazil, but next time we're going on holiday. We have lots of caipirinhos, and we'll have a nice good time. Okay, well, God bless you, and everybody in England who loves you, all your friends, and Olivia and Danny too, join me to say congratulations on a wonderful recovery and a great life, and more to come. We miss you.